Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a child to existing booking in Easyjet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Easyjet account, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Easyjet? So launch in the browser of your choice. I'm currently using Google Chrome, and in the browser or in the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type in easyjet.com, and after doing that, it's going to take you to the easyjet.com website. Check the top right corner of the website and follow through the on-screen prompt to sign up by creating your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Easyjet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add a child to existing booking. For you to do that, in this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen. You have these tabs, which include flight info, holidays, cars and transfers, business, booking.com, and manage bookings. So go ahead and click on manage bookings. That's going to take you right into the manage booking window. Over here, go ahead and click on view booking. So click on view bookings, and it's going to take you right into the view bookings window. So over here, I have not booked a flight and I have no upcoming bookings. But if you do, you're going to find your booking here. So you can be asked to add your booking reference number for you to find the booking that you want. Go ahead and check your booking reference number in your mail, confirmation mail that was sent to you after placing your booking. And after doing that, you're going to have to add that. And after adding that, go ahead and search for the booking that you want to make amends on. Now, after searching your booking, now you're definitely going to find this option to add an infant or to add a child. So once you've logged into your account, click the view bookings, which we went to, and then choose which booking you'd like to add the infant to, which we've mentioned. Now, under the manage booking and special assistance section, so after finding your booking, you're going to find the section that says manage booking and special assistance. So click on that, and after you click on that, you can click on the link that says add infant, a hyperlink. So click on the add infant hyperlink. Once you do that, you will then be taken to a page where you can add your infant's details and pay any necessary fees. Now, if you'd like to remove an infant from your booking, please contact customer services team and they'll definitely get to you. So remember the process. Head over to manage bookings, and then of course check the booking, view the booking, and look for the booking that you want to add an infant to. After doing that, go ahead and click on manage booking, head over to the manage booking and special assistance section and click on add infant hyperlink, which you're going to find. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to a page where you can add the details of your infant and pay any necessary fees. So this is a process. This is how you can add a child to existing booking in easyjet.com. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.